On 5th of November, Karbi Students Association Rongchingrum Longle branch initiated an inter-school literary competition for lower primary schools at Loringlangso LP School, Rongchingrum, under Deepu head branch. With a vision to uplift the educational atmosphere at Rongchingrum region and to set up the competitive mindset among the students, KSA Rongchingrum Longle branch came forward with an idea to provide a platform to the young, energetic and dynamic students of lower primary to express out their talents and skill as well as to test their knowledge. Hence, on 5th of November, inter-school literary competition for lower primary schools was organized by KSA Rongchingrum Longle branch under the supervision of KSA Deepu head branch. It was informed that as many as 5 competitions were organized into different categories as per the level of their class standards. Drawing and spelling bee competition was organized for class 1 to 3 level category. Extempore speech competition was organized for class 4 level category and essay writing competition for class 5 level category. Drawing competition and quiz competition was categorized for class 4 and 5 in one group. More than 5 schools had sent their delegation to take part in the inter-school literary event. As many as 150 children had attended the literary event. Angseng Timung, president of Karbi Students Association, while addressing his speech during the prize distribution ceremony, spoke about the role of Karbi Students Association in bringing the quality education at Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong. Although the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council had launched a Quality Education Awareness Campaign Mission 2025 in collaboration with all the social and students organization of Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong district. What they had experienced and felt during the awareness campaign was not enough. Just inspecting the school infrastructures, attendance of teachers, number of enrollments of the students was not enough. Hence, Karbi Students Association had adopted a resolution to conduct as many inter-school literary competitions as they can to make the students highly aware about education and showcase their talents and skills they have.
It needs some extra platform, especially for the students, to make them very much aware and to make them to produce the talent. That's why the Karbi Student Association has taken a resolution to conduct the inter-school competition all around Karbi Anglong.
The winners of all the category in different competitions were awarded with a trophy and certificate of merits at the prize distribution ceremony. Angseng Timung, President KSA CEC, Raju Inti, AGS KSA CEC, George Timung, Assistant Debating Secretary KSA CEC, Litong Timung, President Deepu Regional Committee, Nelson Timung, President Deepu Head Branch, Headmaster, Headmistress, teachers, parents and guardians of the children attended the event and made it a great success. News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live.